Energy plays an essential role in shaping modern life. It powers our homes, schools, workplaces, and the technologies we rely on daily. From the electricity that lights up our rooms to the fuel that runs our vehicles, energy is at the heart of our day-to-day activities. Without it, life as we know it would come to a standstill. Let's explore the positive impact energy has on people's lives and how it contributes to a brighter, more connected, and more efficient world. Number 1. Energy enhances education and learning. Access to energy revolutionizes education by powering schools, providing access to the internet, and enabling the use of modern teaching tools. For instance, electricity allows classrooms to have lighting, making it possible for students to study even after sunset. Technology, such as computers and projectors, enhances the learning experience and connects students to a world of information. In remote areas, energy makes it possible to run digital learning programs and online classes, giving children and adults access to knowledge they wouldn't have otherwise. With reliable energy, students can dream big, acquire skills, and prepare for brighter futures. Number 2. Energy improves healthcare services. Energy is a cornerstone of modern healthcare. It powers hospitals and clinics, ensuring that essential medical equipment like ventilators, diagnostic machines, and surgical tools function effectively. Refrigeration, made possible by energy, ensures vaccines and medicines are stored safely. In rural areas, reliable energy allows health workers to use telemedicine and reach patients who live far from healthcare facilities. Electricity also supports proper sanitation through water systems, reducing the spread of diseases. With energy, healthcare providers can save lives, treat illnesses, and improve overall well-being in ways that were once unimaginable. Number 3. Energy boosts economic growth. Energy is vital for businesses and industries to thrive. It powers machines in factories, facilitates transportation, and supports communication systems. With energy, businesses can operate efficiently and create job opportunities for communities. Small entrepreneurs, like shop owners or artisans, can grow their ventures using tools and technologies powered by electricity. Moreover, energy enables access to digital platforms, opening the doors for e-commerce and remote work. When industries grow, economies strengthen, leading to improved living standards for people everywhere. Reliable energy is the foundation for innovation and progress. Number 4. Energy brings comfort and convenience. Energy makes life more comfortable and enjoyable. It powers the appliances we use daily, such as refrigerators, washing machines, and air conditioners, simplifying household tasks and improving our quality of life. Energy also powers communication devices like smartphones and televisions, keeping us informed and entertained. In colder regions, energy provides heating, while in hotter areas, it powers cooling systems, ensuring we stay comfortable year-round. With reliable energy, people can focus more on personal growth, family time, and leisure activities, creating